Should you hodl Bitcoin? Should you just never sell your Bitcoin ever? Should you just hold on to it? Or should you trade it? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. All right, let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel with Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm coming to you from Vienna, Austria. We've been hanging out here today, having an amazing time. I'll show a few sites and videos at the end here, but I wanted to talk to you today about hodling Bitcoin. The question is, should you hodl Bitcoin? Is hodl an actual strategy? Is that a way to make money? Is that a way to be profitable in Bitcoin? Now here's the deal. Hodling in general requires a couple things. Number one, a long-term vision and a long-term strategy. So if you're the type that say, hey, listen, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin and 10 years later, I'll realize some profits, or 5, 6, 7 years later, I'll realize some profits. 15 years later, I'll realize and take profits, or take some profits out, or those are the kind of people who want to hodl Bitcoin. That's the kind of strategy for you. I always tell people, like, hey, you want the best savings account you could ever have in your life, and this is not financial advice. It's what we call not financial advice. You do you, though. You do what you want to do. You can buy Bitcoin. I tell people all the time, take 10% of your paycheck, buy Bitcoin, and forget about it. Come back in 10 years, and you'll be very, very, very happy. Historically, that would be the case. Now, some of you, it kind of really depends on what your goal is. If you want to make immediate money, then you need to trade. If you want to realize nice profits on a yearly basis, then you need to swing trade or take 2 or 3 good trades throughout the year. All kind of depends on your strategy. Some of you want to take, want to get Bitcoin and you want to duplicate that throughout the year by trading. Maybe you're trading long and short, so it really kind of depends on your strategy. But we're going to talk about just about hodling right now. So hodling Bitcoin means that you don't sell when it gets bad. And that's the bottom line. That you want to buy when it's low prices. When everyone else is scared, when your market top risk indicators are well into the buy and extreme buy areas or getting below the level, that's when you buy. And when you sell, that's when you buy. And then you hodl. I will tell you this, some of the largest profits I've ever made in Bitcoin is when I had some Bitcoin that I forgot about, and then 7 years later I was able to get access to it again, and I was in extreme profit. One of the things that, if you're going to hodl, is you need to resist the temptation of actually selling that Bitcoin when you need the money, or you all of a sudden start to feel a little FOMO that you want to sell because the price is getting big, which is usually actually the opposite. Most of the time when price goes up, people want to buy more. So there's several different ways to hodl. We can talk about that later, but hodling strategy, it's just going to depend on you and your financial needs and your financial goals. It takes a long-term vision if you're going to hodl Bitcoin. But the one thing I want to take a sidestep on here is altcoins. Never, ever hodl altcoins. It is disastrous. Don't hodl altcoins. Even Ethereum, even Solana, even XRP, don't hodl it, guys. Altcoins are very volatile. Many times, many of them will go down 98%. HODL is a terrible strategy. The only one that you should ever consider hodling is Bitcoin, and that's if you have a long-term strategy. So do I hodl Bitcoin? I do, actually. I have a bag of Bitcoin that I buy, and I don't touch it. It's my long-term savings account. Now, the cool thing about Bitcoin is once you've accumulated enough, you can actually take loans out on your Bitcoin. That's one of the best ways to keep your Bitcoin without having to sell it, and take loans. Use it as collateral. So that's a topic for another video. Alrighty guys, so thank you for checking out the video today. If you guys want more content like this, hit the like and subscribe button. Head on over to the description of the video and you guys can go attend one of our workshops. learn more about Bitcoin, learn about trading, learn about profiting in crypto. We'll attend the workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we'll send you $10 in Bitcoin, and you can hodl that if you want to. Alright guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life, anything to do. We'll see you in another video, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.